Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And the other day I made a video on my new YouTube channel, basically called Laser Tips and Tricks. And it was on laser tips, engrave on blocks. And I had a viewer or subscriber actually sent me a message on Facebook. And that's not the best idea because I don't ever read them. So if you ever want to do it, just leave me a message on the video and at the bottom, and I get them in my email. But I was doing, I was taking the new numbers or the new letters and going CE, and it would put in the page, and I had to do that every time with this viewer, and I was doing 6 of them times 6. I was doing 36 blocks. The viewer suggested it. As soon as she suggested it, or a light went off, and I go, I know that would be true. You want to hit center justified. Then when you change this letter with your editor text, you can change it to a I, and it's going to be in the center of where it started. You can make this anything. Let's make it 3 eyes, and they're going to be in the, or 2 eyes, and they're going to be in the center because that's where they started. So you could take this X and turn it into a B, and it'll be in the center. So I truly thank that viewer. And so just go to your text and hit center justified, and it'll always be there. That'll save you a little bit of time. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.